Hi, good morning. Are you the technician?
Good morning. Yes, I'm Alex. How can I help you today?
My laptop stopped working yesterday, and I'm really worried because it has a lot of important files. I need to get it fixed as soon as possible.
I understand. Can you tell me what happened?
I was using it in the afternoon, and suddenly the screen went black and it won't turn on again.
Did it make any strange sounds or show any error messages before it turned off?
No, nothing. It just turned off suddenly, and now it won't start.
Okay, I'll need to check it first to see what the problem is. The checkup fee is $40, and after that, I can tell you the cost of the repair. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Please check it. I really don't want to lose my files. They're very important to me.
Don't worry. If the hard drive is still working, I can recover your data. Let me take a quick look.
Alex examines the laptop for a few minutes.
Good news! The hard drive is safe, so your files can be saved. But it looks like the motherboard is damaged, which is why it won't turn on.
Oh no. Can you fix it?
Yes, I can replace the motherboard and also install essential programs like Windows and Microsoft Office.
How much will everything cost?
The repair will cost $200, including the motherboard replacement. Installing Windows and Office will be $50 more. So, the total is $250, including the $40 checkup fee.
All right, that's a bit expensive, but I really need my laptop and my files. How long will it take?
I can have it ready in 2 days. I'll also make a backup of your files just in case.
That's great. Do you know why it stopped working like that?
It could be due to overheating or a power surge. Sometimes using the laptop for many hours without proper ventilation causes damage.
I see. What can I do to avoid this problem in the future?
Try to keep your laptop on a flat surface, use a cooling pad, and avoid using it on the bed or sofa. Also, use a surge protector when charging.
That's really helpful. Thank you. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept credit and debit cards. I'll call you when your laptop is ready.
Thank you so much, Alex. I feel better knowing my files are safe.
You're welcome, Emily. I'll take good care of your laptop.